My name is Karen Laws. I am a program manager for the Office of Online and Transfer Services. This presentation will tell you a little about Appalachian's App State Online programs, the application process, and other important information. Why should you choose Appalachian State? We have a reputation for being transfer friendly and have been named a Phi Theta Kappa transfer honor roll school, something that only 153 universities nationwide can say. Phi Theta Kappa's Transfer Honor Roll serves to showcase universities' commitment and investment of resources to support transfer students and to honor excellence and success in transfer pathway development. Whether you're taking your program entirely online or at an off-campus location, you're a mountaineer. We hope that you will visit main campus and the greater Boone area to explore the awesome opportunities available. We offer in-person programs at our 3 off-site centers located in Hickory, Hudson, and our Burke Center, which is located in Morganton, to meet all the needs of our students. These words describe how our online and distance programs are designed to provide a high-quality education that adapts to and enriches your lifestyle. Appalachian State University began as Watauga Academy in 1899 as a teaching college. The founders shared the dream of helping children in North Carolina's lost provinces discover educational opportunities to match the splendor of the mountains in which they lived. And the same commitment to fostering access to higher education for students and training educators continues today. We have grown quite a bit since 1899, and App now has a total population of about 20,000 students, most of whom are undergraduate students. You can see that there is a robust community of transfer students at App State, representing 28% of our entire campus body. Although the programs offered through App State Online may have a different minimum GPA requirement, all of them require transfer admission with at least a 2.25 cumulative GPA. For students pursuing a degree through App State Online, Step 1 is to meet the minimum transfer requirements. Step 2 is to meet the individual program requirements. To meet online admission requirements, you must have a minimum of 30 transferable credit hours. By the way, this includes your in-progress courses, as we need at least one full semester of completed coursework for the review process. Certain programs may require more transferable credit hours for admission. For military students, we have a few additional required documents and highly encourage you to reach out to our military liaison, Jane Dowdy, at transfer@appstate.edu for more information. Here are a few highlights of our App State Online undergraduate programs. The Career and Technical Education, or CTE program, is for teacher licensure for grades 6 through 12. It's entirely online and offers a wide variety of concentrations such as family and consumer science education, business, finance, information technology education, agricultural education, and many more. The Child Development BK Birth Through Kindergarten program leads to teaching licensure and is part-time, fully online program. It takes 3 years to complete. The Communication Advertising program is a full-time online program which runs year-round with a completion time of 6 semesters. The Communication Studies program is also a full-time online program that runs year-round. Completion time, again, is 6 semesters. The Elementary Education program offers multiple location options in both full-time seated and hybrid deliveries. The BSBA Management program is fully online with part-time or full-time options. Classes are year-round, and the program admits in both fall and spring semesters. Middle grades education is currently seeking approval to move fully online starting fall 2021. The Nursing RN to BSN program is online, consisting of 30 semester hours taken in the fall, spring, and summer semesters. Completion time is only 1 year. The social work program has both full-time and part-time options offered at varied locations. Part-time takes 3 years with year-round coursework in the evenings. Full-time takes 2.5 years with courses taught in the fall and spring during the day. For the special education program, the next proposed start term, location, and delivery method have yet to be determined. The Workforce Leadership and Development program is offered fully online with full-time and part-time options. More information about each of these programs can be found at online.appstate.edu. With flexible interactive undergraduate programs that are regionally accredited and taught by the same faculty who teach on main campus, you can create your own success and transform your life. Any general education coursework not yet completed must be done so outside of the App State Online program. Other transfer courses for the major, minor, and/or individual concentrations may be required. Students will receive individual advising for meeting these requirements after being admitted to the cohort. Students who take required courses through a community college will report these hours for financial aid via a consortium agreement. Whether you are an App State Online or main campus student, you have access to multiple resources such as the Learning Center, Library Services, IT Support, and the Career Development Center. And if needed, students can even request library materials to be sent via mail to their homes and then receive a free shipping label for their return. One of the most iconic things about Appalachian is our school spirit, and one popular way is at our football games. Extra fun stat, App State was a dominant force in the Southern Conference for more than 40 years before moving up in July 2014 to the Sun Belt Conference, one of 10 conferences that are members of the Division I Football Bowl subdivision. For other stats and upcoming games, go to appstatesports.com. As one of the most affordable institutions in the UNC system, whether you choose to complete your degree through App State Online or on the main campus, you are getting the same high-quality degree and taught by the same experienced and dedicated faculty. Through App State Online, you can pursue your degree more conveniently and keep your life. With a 12 credit hour, making it considered to be full-time status, you will pay less than $2,000 per semester for it being in-state, and just $8,000 per semester if you are considered out of state. Now, the idea of paying for college can be pretty stressful, and financial fit is important. Good news is that nearly 70% of current students receive some sort of financial aid. Even if you're not sure if you're eligible for any aid, you should still submit the FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid, as there are so many options available: grants, loans, scholarships, etc. Every year it opens on October the 1st with a priority deadline of March the 1st. But be sure to get your FAFSA in as early as possible to maximize your options. Another aspect to consider when choosing where to go to college is where you will go afterwards. Appalachian proudly offers degrees that offer a lifetime of value. Even when you are still an undergraduate student, you'll have a plethora of internship opportunities to gain practical working experience. Studying abroad is an opportunity available to all of our App State students. Additional resources for our App State Online students include Course Equivalency Guide, Transfer or BDP or Baccalaureate Degree Plan Guides, Petitioning for Credit, and so much more can be found on our transfer.appstate.edu website. The applications for spring and fall 2021 are now open. App State Online programs use the CFNC online application. Applications will need a $65 application fee or a fee waiver form and official college transcripts. Note, official AP scores must be sent in for course credit. The application process for App State Online programs consists of: Step 1, your application is reviewed for admissibility to the university. Step 2, your application is reviewed for admissibility to the academic program. Note, final official transcripts for any in-progress coursework must be sent prior to registration. October 1st is the date FAFSA becomes available. The final application deadline for most programs admitting for the fall semester is July 1st. It is important to pay close attention to the start terms and recommended application deadlines for each individual program. For example, the online business management program admits for both the fall and spring. Their priority deadline for fall is April the 1st and spring is September the 1st. App State Online students are admitted on a rolling basis until the programs are full. Yosef, the name of our mascot, is also Mountain Talk for yourself, with the idea being that if you are an Appalachian alumnus, fan, or friend, and have a heart filled with black and gold, you are Yosef. The next step would be to join an academic info session. You can find more information about our App State Online programs by going to online.appstate.edu. I hope you have learned more about Appalachian today, and I'm excited to see you apply to the university. Each of you has an assigned admissions counselor here at Appalachian to help you through the process. You can email, text, or video chat with us. Again, search online.appstate.edu for all the options, as well as an academic program information sessions, one-on-one chats, and more. Thanks again.